Assalamu alaikum, nurturing lovely people. I often come here to feel the nature because there is nothing but nature. There are a lot of green trees and there is nothing but greenery. So I feel nature over here. So please do visit here to feel energy and nature because everywhere you can see greenery. Okay, so come and enjoy the greenery that is present around me, and this is really my favorite place because I love spending time over here, and this place makes me happy, and this place makes me feel special every time being in this place. So don't miss this opportunity to visit at this place, and this is really fantastic place that I ever seen in my entire life. Thank you, take care and keep smiling, guys.